Jatend Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka kod Eugene Wamalwa mar DAP osingo ni ok gibi mar weyo lek mar lipod NADCO. Kagiloso Mombasa kinde limbe margi e gwenge mag kono, jotelogo osingo ni ok gibi ne sirikand Kenya Kwanza oket chenro manoseketi mar bero Kenya kokalo kuom report mar NADCO.
Iwe tu ni jambo la kawaida Kenya hii. Vijana walikufa kwa sababu ya maandamano.
And we want to tell the Kenya Kwanza government that if they will go on by whichever means to unilaterally form the next IEBC, that IEBC will not be a Kenyan IEBC. It will be a Kenya Kwanza IEBC, and we shall not recognize it. So we must, as we go back, assure Kenyans that we continue fighting for them to ensure that the process goes on, the selection of the next IBC, and the team that will be put in place to manage the 2027 general elections.
Been able to brief them what it is that we've been able to do, our achievements, our challenges as well, obstacles we've seen along the way, and where it is that we can be able to see opportunities, and more so opportunities for us also to be able to learn from their relevant experiences.
Wadhimbele nyakura mgajuangi mi weche